Hello, my name is Henry Rostachinsky, and I work with Daniel Genzi and Zachary Basinger to create an app which aims to streamline the process of political involvement for high schoolers and anyone in the district. We noticed a big problem when we wanted to reach out to our representatives. We couldn't really find an easy way to do that. Frustrated, we turned to the nation to see if our opinions were shared, and lo and behold, millions of Americans, in fact 92% of them, felt that the government was unresponsive to their pleas. This had led over 285 million Americans to also believe that their representatives don't care about them. This is obviously false. But why is this train of pessimistic thought so prevalent within our society? Well, it's because of the aforementioned disconnect between rep and constituent. The hassle that citizens have to go through to share their own views in a meaningful manner is too much for most people just trying to get by with their lives. This gap needs to be bridged, and the Byzantine bureaucracy that currently lets people cross the gap is prone to collapse. The sheer amount of middlemen your message has to go through before it reaches its destination cannot be overstated. Wouldn't it be great if we had direct communication with our representatives? Another difficulty that may arise in is the schedule of a representative, so often unforgiving to even minor inconveniences. Wouldn't it be pretty swell if they had an app they could use on the go? So we developed Active Voice to amplify the voices of constituents within congressional districts and to finally solve these issues so we can promote and foster a healthier environment between politician and voter.
My name is Daniel Genzi, and I'll be demonstrating some app features here today. Here, by clicking on the profile picture, we can access the account settings. Information shared here is private and not communicated with anyone. Individuals must first verify the residential status before posting on their respective district's page. If we click on the profile icon again, we can access the payment information, where you can set up your debit or credit cards in a secure way. To encourage a more accurate outlook on the ideas of actual residents of the actual congressional districts, all out-of-district suggestions will incur a $5 penalty fee, which will go back into maintaining the service and integrity of the app. Most importantly, users can create posts by clicking on this plus menu right here. Posts are seen by both the local community and the elected representatives. You can also sort posts up here, or look at posts from other district forums by scrolling through here. Going back to the home screen, the like and dislike buttons can be used by verified constituents, where most liked posts will be brought to the top of the form, reflecting the pressing needs of the locale. Finally, constituents are able to comment on other posts of their respective district, where we hope to foster civil and political discourse among those both for and against the proposal.
To build our app, we used Svelte Native to ensure that it would be fast and reliable for our users. We built our components with Tailwind CSS to ensure that they would scale with a wide array of device aspect ratios. And on the backend side of things, we use Node.js to install and manage our dependencies and modules, and we use Postgres to store our user data scalably and securely.
In the future, we really look forward to optimizing the UI and UX for the most comfortable and convenient experience possible, as well as possibly establishing methods for the representatives to moderate their districts or even create a more private methods of communication between rep and constituent. Thank you for listening and have a great day.